Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and hopefully welcome back to getting some work done on this car. This is part 16 of Luke's classic Mini.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
So in the previous episode, I cut out the panel for the boot, or for the, I keep saying boot, for the rear seat. I've managed to shape it into place now, and I've got these new brackets, or new clamps, which are pretty brilliant really. The long bit here goes through the gap. This rectangle block gets put through a hole, and it can pull the panel up, so you can have a nice flat finish across and underneath as well. So it's tacked in a few places. Sorry, it's placed in a few places. Today I'm going to tack it in because my father-in-law has lent me his spare welder. So I've got gas, I've got wire, I've got a working welder. Let's get on with it. Right, we're making progress with the welding. The welding actually is, it's not looking the best, but it's you know, it'll do. It's solid, that's for sure. I've just run out of gas, so I'm going to get a new gas bottle, and now I've got gas, I've got welding wire, I've got a working welder, and look, the welder's different as well. That one over there just didn't really work, so I've gone for this one. And yeah, so as you can see, I welded pretty much all the way along the side, on this side. It's just to the end. I'm going to leave this bit here so we can get underneath, and I can knock it into shape. And I'm probably going to weld this bit back here as well. Try and bend this back, weld it in, shut these off, make sure it's watertight, and then move on. While I've also been here, I've also plug welded the closing panel to the heel board. And I've got to do that the other side as well. And we are making progress. So this part is nearly done. I'm pretty happy with the process, or the progress so far. I kind of feel like I'm at a point now where I can just remove that rear subframe. So inside the car, I've gone from this point up, across, down, round, and back to the point. So I've got a gap under here where I need to get underneath and sort of shape it into place. It's been plug welded across the top. So you can probably see plug weld, plug weld, plug weld, plug, plug, plug. There's a couple of holes that I'm just keep blowing holes through the metalwork. This metal is super thin. I need to try and drill a couple of holes that side. So then basically this patch and that patch over there have both been repaired. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I know it's not professional standard. I'm not a professional. I just do this as a hobby, but it'll be strong, and there's loads of strength in that now. It'll be strong, it'll be safe, and I have something to obviously bind that panel underneath to, which I've already done. Closing panel inside this companion bin and that companion bin over there have both been welded up. I guess now it's a case of drop the rear subframe and weld the heel board from underneath and bash that seat into shape. I feel good. I feel really, really good. Apart from the fact I can't hear out my right ear. Let's turn this off. Gas off. Welder off. Right. So, some of the sparks went straight down my ear. It's so painful. But I feel like I'm achieving something. I feel like I'm getting somewhere, which is fantastic. So, yes. From the other side now, you can see floor is good. Got a little bit here I need to just touch up because I just tried to tap it down. It's split a little bit, which is a shame, but we can sort that. Underneath the car, hopefully this will come out. I've just been seam welding along the top. I've plugged the panel in, and that is absolutely solid. I've got to weld this patch in on the side, and I've got to cut the seal out, weld the new seal on, and I've just been going across this side as well. I've done along the top. I need to just go over grind down because I've got a lot of stuff. I had quite a lot of holes blowing through from this floor. New panel, new floor, but you can see it's all shaped nicely. Just go through, grind it down. I've got to continue the seam welding across the top. And then, yeah, once it's done, I'm going to put a couple of stitches along the bottom as well. Seam seal it, spray it, done. But on the subject of the seals, so they're not that bad really, but what I don't want to do is have a weld in the middle because then it probably won't be great, and the metal is very, very thin. Had a delivery through the week from Tony at Friday Night Garage Night, and he sent through two parcels. One of them was a front floor, and the other one was 2 overseals. Now the overseals can be cut down to size and be welded in as seals, and obviously have that ventilation and stuff there, so it's not going to be a moisture trap. So if you're watching, Tony, thank you so much. It's going to be massively helpful for this project. I'm sure Luke is extremely grateful as well. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. I'm for the first time in a long while in this car, I'm feeling quite positive. So there are a few patches I've got to address. Just up here, there's a few holes blown through. You can see daylight and stuff. So I'm probably just gonna keep plodding on. Once it's all seam welded, then that's obviously solid onto there. I just need to make sure that the floor is done. I know in the tunnel it's not done properly. But yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're really, really getting somewhere. So, I shall leave it here, because I've got to go out, see my parents. Super pleased to see my parents. Lockdown in Wales has been lifted, and we've formed a bubble with my mum and dad. So I can see them for the first time in like a month, maybe a month and a half. So yeah, super excited to see them. Gonna go over, have some food. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Really means a lot to me. Subscribers at the moment are just blow my mind, the numbers that have come to the channel, and just wanted to thank you all for being there, supporting me, and enjoying the stuff that I'm putting out. So yeah, let's continue this, and calling it a day. I need to go get showered. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.